Alright, we back again with XG. I'm here with my girlfriend, Hedgen. What's poppin', girl? She was curious about this group too, especially the dance portion too.
We about it.
You know, she always liked looking at the dance, you know what I'm saying? I already did a video to rap and vocal, but she watched it on her own too. Dance performance one is them with masks, and then we're gonna check out the one with the face reveal because I kind of want to see if it hits different with a face.
Okay.
Because you had more emotion with face too.
Oh, like to see the facial.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we get to see them, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, let's look at the mask.
But
first.
alright, play my intro. XG dance performance. Let's get it. Let's go. Do we need captions? I don't think so. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Let's go, bro. Jesus. Already off the bat.
Ooh.
Wait, hold on. I want to see that again. I want to see that again.
Hold on. If you are not prepared. Whoa.
The aesthetic is already balling. It's busting.
Damn. Okay, get into it. Damn.
Ooh.
Oh, they're going hard.
Ooh.
Damn.
Oh, I love how they dance so hard.
Yeah, she's so fierce.
Ooh.
She's going in. Ooh, they're all going in. Dude, they're so synchronized. Jesus Christ.
Even their hair was synchronized.
Jesus,
that
their hairography, bitch. Damn, like their hair, yeah, literally.
Look at all of them like
All
that.
of them are like,
He just went.
Ooh, that's what's up. Ooh, they're doing hard-hitting dances.
I like that.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. Hey.
Hey.
Okay.
Ooh, nice
look
little
at-
camera.
That was a
Nice little camera
shot.
action, yeah.
That was a nice shot.
I like that. Let me see that one more.
She just said, hey.
Come here.
Dude, I don't know why, but she gives me off like Mortal Kombat.
Yeah. That's like, come here.
Yeah, come here.
Get over here.
Get over here. Like a badass. Ooh. This thing's hard for me too. Ooh.
That was fire.
Yeah. What's happening? Okay.
I thought I was gonna keep on going. I wanted more.
No, but
I wanted more.
But that was pretty hard hitting.
It was pretty hard
They're
hitting.
pretty tired, probably.
They're like
But they
different
look
angles
clean.
too. They look clean.
They look clean as hell.
All right, let's check out the face reveal. Actually,
Hairography.
the hairography, girl, is for me.
Okay.
Oh, different area.
Oh, it's the same thing, right?
New level. I think it's a new. It's definitely the same thing, but with a
New fighter.
new
Challenger. Yeah, there you go. New challenger.
A new challenger awaits. Ooh.
Ooh, the lighting. Oh, big.
Ooh, let's go.
Ooh, and you get to see their facials. Oh,
Ooh.
damn.
Yo, she look intimidating.
Yeah, she look like she can me up, bruh. Oh my god. Girl.
Yes.
Ooh.
They don't like it.
Oh, the light.
The lighting is nice.
Fire.
Ooh. The ring around them. Ooh, shit. Ooh.
Yeah, that shit go
they
hard.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. It's hard to make, like,
Yes. Play with the camera, bro.
yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Let's go.
I like the little groups that they have.
Yeah, same.
But they're hard to make shit hit.
Get it. That part, the mask part, because they have a different shot of her saying "get over here."
Oh yeah, that's
hit
true.
different. This
It
one was
did, it did.
one full. It was like the same shot, right? Yeah. This one's different angles, so we can see more.
Oh, she did.
Yeah.
Oh,
Go
wait, go back to that. Okay. Oh, bitch.
I didn't see that.
I wonder if
last
she
one.
can whack. That looked like some That looked like some whacking
Like,
techniques.
yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm pretty
like
sure she
voguing
can.
and tutting. Damn. Oh, she's whacking right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
There you
Jesus.
go. That answered the
Jesus
question.
Christ, she can whack. Yes. She said,
love a sound like this.
Ooh.
Oh.
Hey.
Ooh. That's what I'm talking about.
It's the fierce
the
facial
fierceness.
She said, ooh.
Ooh.
Damn. Dude, I love a good steak face though.
Yeah, good steak
Yeah,
face.
good steak face, like Sienna, like type vibe.
Yeah, Sienna Lalau.
Sienna Lalau. Let's go.
Damn, XG. I'm excited.
That was dope.
I'm
Jesus.
excited for
she
them.
went. Oh damn. And then the whacking.
Yeah,
and,
they
damn.
did it. Actually, the dance performance, I thought it was gonna be the same thing. It was, but different camera angles. So you could
Well,
see
this one you
different
could see the choreo more, which
and
is
more of the
better.
face too. Yeah.
And more of the face as well.
Like I said, I think the debuts March 18th.
Okay.
It's coming up soon, actually. Pretty soon. This part right here. I mean, it's simple.
Yeah, just when they just go hard, you just like bang their head while like.
Jesus.
I wonder if they were ever.
And back in formation.
Wanna know what I love?
What?
Is like when you're in a dance group and then like you start screaming together like while you do the move.
Yeah.
I wonder if they do that. That would be like
I would love that.
Yeah, no, I bet.
I actually want a dance
I
practice
feel like-
of like, maybe, I don't know about this. I would love it.
I feel like they might do that to like hype themselves up
Yeah.
during that. Yeah.
like all together.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they did.
Yeah.
Because and then back in formation.
And then back into formation. Yeah.
Ooh,
and then she
on
goes
beat.
forward. Yeah, that's fire. Yeah, they're always changing formation too. Damn.
Nice point.
Damn. I like how they transition to their next formation.
Yeah.
Though. It's never like boring.
Right.
Yeah, they're always doing something. It's not like you're walking there. Wow. Ooh. She said, "Let me show you my whacking skills, bitch." Ooh.
The lighting is amazing.
That's so good.
This is like literally a concert performance type of
yeah,
shit.
bro. They're probably gonna be so dope live. Jesus. If they perform this live, woo! I love that.
This part right here.
Woo!
I love
yes.
And then
You
back
get
in
them
formation.
facials, bitch.
Get them
Get
facials.
them facials. Throw my slipper.
Ew.
Ew. But
No, that was fire.
If I were in the dance practice,
You throw the
I
shoe,
would
you know.
throw the shoe.
In the dance community, throw the shoes.
I
Like,
would
hey,
throw the
respect,
shoes.
respect. But okay, well. Again, guys, put a comment down below what you guys think of XG and what their debut might be sounding like, because I'm not even sure myself. Again, shout out to everybody. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like, and
Check
do
the
all
links.
that. Check the links.
If you want to check out the videos that we just watched,
yourself,
they'll be
so
down
go
there.
support
There's also
them.
Discord.
Yes.
There's Twitch. And Hedgehog Twitches and then, streams. She got music too, so go
Yeah,
check her out.
song.
You know what I'm saying? But I'll see you guys till next time, okay? Next video. Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.